In this video lecture, we will check our model for any modeling error. So as of now, we are successfully draw our structural model in ETABS and assigning the respective conditions with respect to the restraints, releases to the beams and diaphragms. So now we need to check that our model has any modeling error or not. So for that, go to Analyze, click on Check Model. So here the couple of options are available. So the tolerance limit here for the checks we need to input. So I'm not changing it. Take it as it is, that is 1 mm, and for the length it is by default 1 mm. So here we need to check that we need to perform. So we are going to perform the joint checks, frame checks and shell checks. So joint checks, joint with tolerance, joint frames with tolerance, joint shells with tolerance, frame checks such as frame overlaps, frame intersection with tolerance, frame intersection with area edges, and the shell checks, shell overlaps. Here are some of the other checks, that is check for meshing of all stories, check for loading and check for duplicate self mass. So these checks will perform after applying the meshing, apply the loading and applying the self mass of the structure. So here we have the two options for the fix. So if any modeling error is there, small error, so here I am selecting these options because if there is any error, so it can fix by software itself, such as trim or extend the frames, move to fix problems and joint story assignment. Click here, click on OK. So here you can see we have got the message model has been checked and no warning message were generated. This is a very satisfactory message that we have got. If there is any modeling error, then the list of the modeling errors is come here. To resolve that error, we need to go through that process, so such as redefine the section sizes or redraw the structure. So that is a very hectic procedure. So because we are taking the precautions for the different things, our model does not has any error. So now close the window and save the structure. So here our step 8 is also completed.